So I was bored and I wanted to do something. So I went on 1688 and I started looking for some Bluetooth um, speakers. So I was going, trying to find which one is within my budget because I have like 22 RMB in my account. So I wanted to buy something. So I was looking at these ones. They really look good, and I check the reviews because definitely you need to check the reviews to make sure that people are saying good things about the product. So like this is the speaker, and this is from the person who bought an actual speaker, and here's another one. So I am now debating between the two. There's this one and there's also this one right here, but it also looks nice. Let me see this one. And this one doesn't have a lot of reviews, but yeah, it has, in fact. But I don't know. I'm choosing which one should I go for. Should I go for this one or should I go for the other one? Yeah, I'm debating now. So I don't know. I have to make a decision in a few uh, seconds. So let me see. Let me check that one again. So this is like the hardest part, sourcing. You know, sourcing is the hardest part of this kind of a business. So I don't know why I'm leaning towards this one because 22 RMB. I'm looking at. I want to get like three of these. So eight. Okay, so let me do this. Let me add to cart three of these and see how much I will get. So one here, two here, three. So and the total is 25. Okay, 25. So let's go back and add the other one, this one. And we'll add one here, two here, and three here. And the total is 26. So it's either I get two or three, but I'm looking at three. Now everything is now stuck. This one looks good. They look really good. Which one should I go for? Help me, guys. Which one should I go for? Okay, I think I'm settling for this one. Yeah, I'm settling for this one because I think it's a bit bigger than the other one. So, but for me to actually order this, I'm ordering two because that's the one that will be within the budget. So I'll get a brown and a gray one, or black and gray, my favorite colors. 17 RMB. So my address is okay, the rest, everything else is okay. So including shipping, it has come to 21 RMB, which is about $3 or so. Yeah, so submit. And ordering has been made easier. So just click on my Alipay, make sure that you bind your Alipay to 1688 and it will do wonders for you. It will do wonders for you. So here, just enter my password and the money has been deducted. and let's check how much is remaining in my account. Like I mentioned, I only had 222 RMBs, 22 RMB. So let's check balance. How much is in the balance? Network. So from 22 to now, 0.6, like almost. Yeah. So these, I've ordered these. So let me show you where they'll go. So after you make payment, you click on me, and then you can see to ship, there should be one. Yes. So there is to ship here, and these are the two speakers that I've bought, one and two. So thank you very much. See you in my next video, and bye bye for now.